Good day, I'm Vivian and this is your Cyber Brief, powered by CybLynx. I bring you real-time intelligence on cyber threats, emerging tech risks, and critical updates that impact individuals, businesses, and global security. From data breaches to AI-powered exploits, today's headlines reveal just how rapidly the threat landscape is evolving. Let's take a look at the top cybersecurity stories shaping the digital world right now. WestJet investigates cyber incident. WestJet has launched a cybersecurity investigation following unusual activity in its app and internal systems. While flights remain unaffected, the airline is working with forensic experts and authorities to determine if passenger or staff data were compromised. Guardrails breached. Gen AI under attack. Security teams are raising alarms over a surge in generative AI exploitation. Attackers are manipulating AI tools through vibe hacking, malware development, and deepfake content aimed at infiltrating systems and tricking personnel. Experts warn that as AI becomes central to workflows, safeguarding its integrity must be a top priority. Echo leak, AI zero-click threat in Microsoft Copilot. Researchers have uncovered a zero-click vulnerability in Microsoft 365 Copilot, dubbed Echo leak. This flaw allowed sensitive data to be accessed silently, without any user action. Microsoft has issued a patch, but the incident highlights a troubling new class of AI-targeted cyber threats. Surge in ransomware against healthcare. An industry report shows ransomware attacks are spiking in the healthcare sector, with hundreds of incidents in recent months. U.S. hospitals and clinics are the most targeted, but organizations in over 30 countries have also been hit. Healthcare remains a highly vulnerable critical sector. Iranian cyber activity targets Israel. Cybersecurity firm Radware reports a sharp increase in Iranian cyber activity directed at Israeli industrial and critical systems. The uptick follows regional tensions that have shifted cyber operations into a key part of geopolitical strategy. Microsoft patches 0-day and more risk updates. Microsoft has patched an actively exploited 0-day used in cyber espionage. Meanwhile, attackers are exploiting vulnerabilities in remote monitoring tools, and new ransomware strains are combining wiper and extortion tactics. It's a fast-evolving threat landscape. These developments show a clear pattern. Cyber threats are increasingly using AI, targeting critical infrastructure, and exploiting zero-click attack paths. The message is clear. Stay informed, update systems promptly, and strengthen AI defenses. I'm Vivian, and this brief was powered by CybLynx, keeping you ahead of the threat.